I am a circle.
Now make your very own circle using simple materials. First, find a circle-shaped paper plate. This one's already pink. Then ask a grown-up to help you find some clean plastic items that you can safely reuse. These large container tops will make great feet. Paint them any colour you like. When the paint is dry, stick your paper plate onto the feet using sticky tape or glue. Then add a big smile. I made this one from Fun Foam, but you could draw it on with a pen. Stick on the eyes using googly eyes or round stickers. And your circle's finished and ready to dance.
I am a circle.